The sit-up is a great exercise to help develop the abs. One of the things that we do when we do sit-ups is we want to make sure that our feet are butterflied. What this means is that our feet are together, our knees are out. Doing this completely takes out your hip flexors from the equation. When we do traditional sit-ups like this, most of that pulling action to get us into the up position is coming from here, and it's not hitting our core like we want it to. So by doing this, we now isolate this. These no longer play effect, and now we're using all ab muscles to sit up into the upright position, all right? So that's step number one, get into a butterfly position. You want to sit up tall, big chest, and when you're coming forward, you want to make sure that your shoulders come in front of your hips as much as possible. This doesn't work, right? You lost containment, you lost control of your core. You need to get uptight and lean into it, work on that hip flexibility. Touching the ground in front of your feet is a great way to know if you come forward far enough, and then come back down to the ground. And when you come to the ground, you want to make sure your shoulders hit the ground. Keeping your hands in front of you makes you focus on engaging your core to lift up. Think about reaching forward and touching the ground, all right? So sit up tall, tap the floor, come down, sit up tall, tap the floor. Keeping your feet together, keeping your knees out, and you will improve your ab strength.